welcome back to another video, guys. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do not watch the video and don't subscribe. Today we're here as I promised, guys. I'll be going out every week to a different location. Now we're at the beautiful Cane River. It's my first time here in Cane River, guys. First time. Yeah, so we're gonna see what Cane River have to offer, guys. It seems like it's a bigger river than I am used to. As you know, guys, see, which probably believe is like a smaller river. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe. Let's get us to 30,000 subs. I want to say thank you for 20k. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Video? Eh?
No, me I guys, I want you. What a few deep. Woo! Woo. Hey guys, we're at the beautiful Cane River. All the crayfish them pan that river you're supposed to dig. No. Oh yeah. Beautiful Cane River, guys, in Oak Bay, Portland, guys. Beautiful location, like Portland full of river, guys. Full of river. And then the one you like really private, you can come here and you can, you know, wash your little stuff. So yeah, it's good, it's beautiful here. And then the water kind of a little bit deeper than which part me live, so that's like a good thing. Yeah, I might come back and cook. I don't know, I never do a cooking river video yet, but I don't know, maybe I have to plan, because this was kind of sun, guys, so I might just plan and, you know, come here and do and cook some food, but I'm not gonna cook nothing too big. So yeah guys, tell me if you're liking my new videos them so far, guys. As I said, every week I'm going to be coming here doing videos at different locations, guys. So I'm here last week. I came to last week I went to Sunshine Beach. Now guys, I'm here at Cane River. It's one of the most famous river that you can find in Oak Bay, Portland, guys. So yeah, and then it's drive accessible. So if you have vehicle, your vehicle not there too far from you, so you're not really too have to worry. Just the only thing kind of danger, kind of weird, is that to come at a little spot when me there, we kind of have to walk one weird place, but otherwise guys, it's good. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, please do not watch the video and do not subscribe, guys, please. And also rate my bath suit, guys. Give me a ratings for the bath suit. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure so you see it good. That means you can tell me if the one is a 10 out of 10. So yeah. Hey guys, so rate the outfit. Tell me what you think of this bathing suit, guys. It's crochet and it's from Fashion Nova. Ow! It's from Fashion Nova, guys. Beautiful. Maybe my breast it could be too big for the brassiere part, but I'm loving it, guys. So remember, people, please subscribe. Let's get the channel to 30,000. We're at 20k subscribers, and I'm very grateful for everybody who decided to get me to that milestone, guys. So I wanted to say a big thank you. I am very, very grateful. I'm just gonna continue enjoy the river and just swim and just enjoy life, right? Ow! I don't know this to an arrow. showing a rough bad guy. But anyways, stay tuned.